Good afternoon, this is Murray Teed from Outdoor Travel. We're introducing you to the 376 TH Momentum. That's the number right on the side of the coach. We're going to go through a few features on the coach that you'll understand a little bit. We're just going to do the outside tour right now. So the first thing is you have laminate slides all the way around, which are true slides. You have a grab rail when you walk into the coach. You have a set of stairs that will go up and out of the way. The nice thing about this stairs also is you'll notice that there's some dirt in the bottom here. So they do have a sprayer right there to spray off your stairs when you put them in and out. Take a look at the storage you have all the way through. You have three axle vehicle on this coach. You have 5-year warranty on the tires. The first year anything goes. The axles are guaranteed for 5 years. Outside TV with a stereo and DVD player. Outside kitchen. Fridge is right here. It's nice to have to cook. Walk-on roof, you can walk up this roof all the way up to the top. You have an awning on this side, you have an awning right through over the whole slide right there. In the back, this is your garage for this. This is for a Spyder or a Harley Davidson. The bed will go up and down inside if you got something higher, like a high ATV. You got beautiful storage, it's all insulated all the way through. All your tie downs are right into the frame. It's all one key system in this particular coach. Here you can put all your tools, your pads, everything else for the jacks. It's all hydraulic system all the way through. Here you have your fueling station right here. This runs your generator all the way through. Storage all the way through here. This is all your pull for your tanks, gray tank, solid waste here. So you got the largest capacity in tanks right here. This is your 12-gallon hot water tank. It's a 50 amp service on this particular coach. Take a look at this. This is your one-stop shop. Water filtration system. It tells you everything here. Outside shower, your cold to release all your water out of the coaches on both sides. Your drains are right there. Then you have more storage going through here. Self-leveling auto jack is right there. Propane tank on both sides. Hydraulic lift on it, 6-point system. Now the biggest concern you have with this coach is weight. Dry weight on this particular coach is 16.5. Your gross vehicle weight is 20,000 pounds. So you need a dually truck to pull this particular vehicle. You got the Rotoflex pin box in the front. It's got the rubber up in the front, which prevents the chafing inside. You have a 5,000 watt generator in the front. Fiberglass cap, which is all reinforced with steel all the way through. Take a look at the beautiful kitchen you have. This is a designated 3 different areas in this coach. So you have a living room up front, you have your bedroom in the back, and your center kitchen. So the kitchen's really unique. You have a place to put your washer and dryer if you wanted to, or use that for shelves. You have more cupboards all the way through, all solid wood cupboards, all hidden hinges all the way through. This coach has got R40 insulation in the roof, R30 in the floor. You have a stove with a big oven in it. This is all LD lighting all the way through here. Conventional microwave. This is a gas and electric fridge. It's not a residential fridge. It'll take care of you when you're boondocking or everything else. Stainless steel sink. One small one, one large. All nicely finished. You have stealth air conditioning and heating on this thing, so there's stealth heating and air conditioning. You never have a cold room in this particular coach. You take a look at all your drawers and cupboards all the way through. You have a place right here for your starting your USB ports right here. You can put a TV in here, coffee maker here. More storage here. Electrical panels right in here. That's your 110 and 12 volt system right there. Then you have a freestanding dinette up here, but notice how the dinette is. You don't have any legs in the bottom here. You can get all your legs up through here. You can have, this has storage underneath each one of them. You walk up forward, solid wood steps with a grab rail when you come up. Then you take a look at the outside. You got a TV that pops up. Electric fireplace to give you another source of heat. You have 3 air conditioners in this, 1 air conditioner here, 1 air conditioner here. This makes into 2 beds right here. So you have heated and massage chairs right there. You have a sliding door in the bathroom here so it doesn't protrude into the hallway, so when you walk in, you always have a nice way to move in and out. Porcelain toilet in the particular coach, not a plastic toilet. Very important. Medicine cabinet on this side. More storage on this side. Solid surface counter, large sink. 1-piece shower all the way through with a settee inside. More drawers all the way through. Solid doors, residential framing all the way through the whole coach. Here you have a queen size bed, storage on either side, more cupboards again. The storage is unbelievable in this coach. If you want to live in this coach all year round, that's what most people are doing. It just goes on and on and on. You have a plug-in on either side, 3 air conditioners in the coach with heat pumps. You're good to go for all year round. This is the 376TH. It's on sale right now. Come and get it. It's the last one at this price. If you want to reach out to me, this is Murray Teat from Outdoor Travel. You can reach me on my email or cell phone number. Take care. Bye.